This is my Fit WiFi bike check. This is the bike. I'll start off with the front, ODI, bar ends, Colt, Vans grips, Sunday free stem, Hoffman Bama V2 bars, Mission circuit fork. It was pretty cheap, but it's pretty good. I had it for about a year now. It's pretty strong. United Swerve tire. BSD Front street hub laced to a Alienation Delinquent rim. Animal Hamilton PC pedals in red, clear red, I guess you could say. Profile GDH cranks, S&M bottom bracket. Kink Sexton seat. Premium Gnarstar Sprocket 28. Back end, I have Animal GLH tire laced to BSD battery hub. Animal GLH tire, BSD hub, backstreet laced to a Alienation Delinquent. Headset is Primo. What else is there? Oh, my chain, it snapped, but it was a Colt half link. That was a good chain. I don't know why it snapped. It just happened. I guess I had like a faulty chain, because it snapped like 3 times in one day. So I guess that one was crap. I want to order a new one soon, because I like that chain. It's pretty strong, I guess. My frame is 21 1/4, because I'm kind of tall, so I need a lot of leg room. Some random ass seat posts. I don't know what it's from. I had this frame for like 2 months. It's pretty good, actually. Don't mind my room is a little messy, but whatever. So, yeah. Fit WiFi bike check.